Meyini dinaye ako serious ye me don't know me di mikira and me wo mi munyina. Good morning to you all. Anope share subscribe ne share. Anope share subscribe ne share. Di page no ho adanse. E fa kira mansan. So fearless no ha, exclusives no ha, authentic news no. Ni nyina wo YouTube Kokose TV. Ni nyina go YouTube Kokose TV. Etu wo de ne se share, subscribe share. Share, subscribe, share, subscribe, share. The page you know what dance if I tell what tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Say you go YouTube. You subscribe to Kokose TV. You go Kokose TV. Since a fearless go and some go authentic news in go exclusives in go and open me in some free Kotoko camp, Mediama camp, House of Folk camp, Blasters camp, Adriana camp, Ice Gold camp, within some free hobel. Umpewe na apege mema waso nsi ewo news papa ho da de bia memo ate nsem de ewo football mu memo ate de ekoso ewo football mu ewo man mu etu wo de ne se share ma wona fofo share mo obusuafo share no Facebook share no WhatsApp groups ni nyina mu WhatsApp group bia wo bia share tum obi a wo WhatsApp page bia share ma no Twitter share ho no TikTok share no ho Instagram share no ho share no obi a ida bi hwe obi an subscribe nanya kama say dey share the city no Waha Construction Company Limited yana yesi quality house e dia ma quality house e dia ma e dan ye besi ho ache e dan ye nchima ba bedi dimu e nchima be nya so faso ye be bodi say waja good legacy e dia to abusuani fada no waha no mu si sa dan ne ma o mo nya sa building ne fama na wa be hu say yes wa ye adwuma a sombo pa wa sifi papa e de asi ho wo be hu so wa sifi papa e de asi ho ma nchirima ye modern effective building materials e de asi dan no modern effective building materials e de asi dan no na de wo mu ni se meka hu se bebrebe di a kire eti mo amwo Asia mo amwo Europe mo amwo America mo amwo North America mo amwo South America mo amwo East America mo nyina mo fa mo dan ho nsem emre wo ha Construction Company Limited mo amwo Canada mo amwo Australia ho no mo amwo Asia China Japan Korea North Korea South Korea mo amwo Papua New Guinea what you say mo amwo Jordan mo amwo UAE mo amwo Saudi mo amwo Dubai mo nyina mo fa mo dan no emma wo ha Construction Company Limited na wonya ne kama Europe for Germany for Belgium for Spain for Holland for Canada for Switzerland for Sweden for what you say Norway for what you say nkronkron for no nyina mo nyina mo fa dan ne nan wo mo Africa ha ba bia we mo mo South Africa mo nyina Mali for no prempem mo fa nane wo ha no nya mo japade ne ma mo na mo se mo bre na mo ko bre no obi man so no emfa so aba so ye ne wo Ghana so ye be si dan a ye mfa nane wo ha ye be renovations a ye mfa nima wo ha wa ko to dan wo pese wo ye renovations wo tifie no wo pese wo renovate fada no ha no nya ne kama etumi mfa ma ji number na fe wo Ghana ha ba bia mo office Ghana ba bia mo office 05502685898 05502685898 na ne wo ha kasa na bibia ye kama anope me mawo me mawo say Blasters wo match ne etu wo hu se flag ni kura me sa e je se ne o se nkunudi etimisi o man eye o man enkoye kura ye ni o man fofo bia enkoye kura ye ni Ghana fofo bia the only Ghana ye wa na ye wo mu no the only Ghana e wa asase so e ye timu no ati ase e di Ghana so wo Bible mu e di tema e wo Bible mu di Ghana wo Bible mu di tema e wo Bible mu ati ase tie man no enu ani e wo man a nyame nsa wo man so nyame ahira wo man no but e lack good leadership Ghana yo man nyame ahira wo man ade bia eso wo man nya timi di ye nyame de adua Ghana nyame de adom ye nyame de ahira ye but o man no ye hia good leadership aye Ghana problem eti enema papa nyame de adom wo man no ye ntimi nya so mfaso o man no bauxite wo ha diamond wo ha gold wo ha cocoa wo ha boy friend say timber wo ha bibi bia de etu oye wo ha prekese wo ha ade bia se o man nya no otimi di ye Ghana wo bi abe wo ha but because of good leadership again ninti ɔman ni si apene Bible say nipa bɔne di ɔman so a ɔman ni si apene enti yɛmpanyimfo na adi ni ɔman ni so no ɔmo lack vision what I say Bible say abrabɔ no mfiti ase no nyamesuro nyamesuro nyansa nso firi nyame hɔ ɛne de ba bet yɛmpanyimfo wei ɛto nyame twene na ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo pɛ na ɔmo de ɔmo nyansa na ɔmo nim deɛ ɛna ɛyɛ eti da bia wobɛyira but manyame lead you manyame direct you ya na ɛya sɛ onyame yɛ panyi a ɔnim nyame ɔbɛyɛ panyi sɛ king na wa divert amefa asɛm ne ngo mfama we de betwa mu kɛkɛ what I say betwa mu kɛkɛ we no be kra mic na me preach a ɛna betime twa fa hɔ yie ɛna betime twa fa hɔ yie we de sports time it when you just by the way passing comment ɛna buy na the woman say Coach Milo ɛna ne ɔkyerɛ nneɛma mu sɛ in fact nneɛma bi kɔ so a ɛnyɛ papa na ɛha adwene one ɛyɛ slaughter Africa yɛwɔ ɛwɔ World Cup slaughter na yɛwɔ ɛwɔ World Cup no ɛyɛ just 5 na Coach Milo say no ɛyɛ disrespect ɛde ma Africa ɛyɛ total disrespect ɛde ma Africa sɛ the way Africa continent no na me de talent na hyira yɛn ɛne sɛ deɛ modern bɔ kɔnkan no wɔ expect sɛ 5 slot no ɛwɔ form dodo at least Africa yɛn di kɔɛsɛ nketimi nya bɛ 8 ɔsɛ yɛnya 8 slots ɛwɔ World Cup 5 no ɛwɔ form ɛha adwene ɛno yɛ na asɛm baako ɛwɔ sɛ ɛnɛ match against Algeria no 4 p.m. match against Algeria 4 p.m. na ohun ni sɛ saa match no yɛ match ɛda na koma so yie saa match no match a ehia no yie ɛyɛ important match etimi ɛgyema no because ɛnɛ obɛhunu nneɛma bebree ɔbɛpeke nneɛma bebree de afiri saa game wem because ɔbɔ wei no ɔmmɔ biem ɔbɛbɔ match biem a na yɛ Monday against Morocco ɛno ti match wei ɛyɛ important match de mana ɔbɛbie n'ani na ɔhwɛ loopholes bi a ɔbɛhu na wɔtumi atuatua nsa na Morocco game na aba so nti game wei ɔmfa ne sɛ agodie Jordan akɔ ɔnyɛ training ɔtete bench so na ɔbɛhwɛ ne ɔgyinam Jordan akɔ camp no ɔntraining yɛ ɛna ɔmu training a wɔte nkyɛn yɛso wɔnya knock ɛso wobɛhwɛ sɛ nnɛ match wobɛtɔ ɔba abɛgyinam na abikwa mu David Abanyam a wɔn yɛ fully fit match fitness no wɔ hɔ no wobɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛduru baabi no ne yɛpiam agu nkyɛn na yɛsɛ yɛwɔ aborɔfo na ɔmu ne gya mu bɔ ɛno na ɛduru baabi a na nkurɔfoɔ supporters ɔmo de man national team no na aba fam supporters sɛ Ghana for the man national team no because of fairness ɛtɛtimi ba fam ɛbu nkurɔfoɔ abam wote aseɛ ɛbu nkurɔfoɔ abam ɛbu nipa abam to obi timi ka me the national team no mfa me ho me de me kɔtɔkɔ ne hia me de me ha ase ne hia me national team no mfa no bet ɛnka baabia mu no ɛnka national team first ɛnka ɔman no first ansana de aka bi aba but ɛsɛ yɛ deɛ no because of fairness a ɛnyɛ adwuma nti akɔyɛ club first ansana national team naba Ghana ha yɛ club first kɔsɔkɔtɔkɔ supporter ɛhwɛ deɛ ne team ni bɛyɛ ɛnyɛ de Blasters bɛyɛ Blasters ne yɛtumi gye a hallelujah but the club kɔtɔkɔ ne da na koma so House of Folk supporter ne House of Folk no ɛna da na koma so sɛ Blasters ɛtumi yɛ biribi a hallelujah but ne house ne deɛ ɔnkɔ nya hɔ because fairness ni Blasters ni nti wobɛsɛ bɛba na sɛlɛsɛ na Jordan mu gyinagyinam na local boys na wɔn match fitness no wɔn yɛ fit for the game no ɔtete bench nti maame kɔ m'anim na Coach Milo sɛ FIFA ɛnso nyɛ fair biem ɛnsa mfa ma Africa FIFA nyɛ fair ɛmfa ma Africa the reason no ɛyɛ simple sɛ tournament bi a ba bɛduru so a wohia wo players no for 2 weeks ɛyɛ FIFA mmra 2 weeks ɛwɔ boys ne fi wɔn clubs no ɛba wɔn nation hɔ ɛbɛbɔ wɔn national team no but wei FIFA de aba bɛtoɔ sɛ on the 3rd January tournament ne yɛ 9th 3rd nti enu 1 week mpo ɛna clubs ni release players no mo mmra which is not fair a wo feel say emwa ɛnani nje because of this any preparation no anko se de na nko wo hwɛ no ntime new level a na nko pɛ no because of late arrival ɛfa ne boys no late arrival what I say it will feel say ade na CAF any FIFA for ayɛ no ɛnya de papa Europe for na ebo mo de no omo gya omo kwa de Africa de na mo pese mejo ma oba mo respect tournament no mo respect tournament and 2 weeks share also mo da boys mo come national teams but third ni agenda home 9th tournament na say just 5 days just 5 days na ba kire beka obi team eti coach no ha na pa ene ye do de atudwa ampem da Costa kotoko defender na osi akan de ma Ashanti Gold osi akan de ma Ice Gold the metie ni say akwane contract end of this season the contract ni beba na wie na esa akwana ina to on sign biem akwane pese or ai kotoko or sempe kotoko abo or pekodoko na sa ba biem enti de ma kwakotie from obuase ni say akoda ampem da Costa defender no enye na adwen say ne contract ni wu a obesan e de ama Ashanti Gold na mo o prefer say oba besan de ama Asante Kodoko na obeto ni game so e wo Kumasi ya e de ama Kodoko bo oboku no eno e de ma kwakote anope transfer ni nnamu anope transfer no e ni nnamu ate say enya asam keto akra transfer ni nnamu na ya mponsa CEO na ya mponsa CEO e na e kire mu say so wokọ abrochi a ye wo bibia fe no pay per view wo fie kura pay per view enu ti na auto decoder na wutwa ansa na wahwe pay per view eti Kodoko supporters mo mfa ne se ya bie baba ya sports stadium atum se Kodoko supporter bia amra Kodoko supporters bebrebe ni ba do se ne benya chance Ewura Park ni so eye kitwa be ye few ene benya kwan Ewura Park ni so park ni be ye ma eti the majority of Kodoko supporters no ye chemu 100 200 400 you divided this 1 million kra half kakra bi entimi nko park bu ba ko kra enko park ni so enti se wontimi ma dia pay per view no ehia pa sa virtual seat no ehia pa so contribute and my team no one way wo so betima contribute dia my team no o pay per view enso no men kwa ten stadium ho ayema mentimi nkobi but me so meyi kakra e dia support me so meyi kakra meyi 5 cities meyi 10 cities meyi 15 cities meyi 20 cities meyi 30 cities meyi 40 cities meyi 50 cities meyi 100 Ghana e dia support team no me so me pay per view enso no aye de kama na atumi afa but enyo adwene say me nko stadium dia team no progress emfa me ho team no nkanko emfa me ho no yenye ne sa also support Tambia free wakuma mu na support team no ade a wudu wakuma mu support no wo ye bibia ma sa ade na enhaw eti sa Kodoko ne da wakuma so dia e ye Tambia so contribute enye so be cost de metwa gate nko a won cost de nko atwa na fa bo team no eno aye de CEO ade atomanim eti ho sensem enso eno no akoda bia pra na akoda na ye Misha Kasante if you organize it, is it second division who am can put them no more na class sports stadium. Akoda na twetwe sa na utie commentator na you love it. Na akoda ni nemo bu se pom. Nanu ya say on the team against Subribi. Omni Subribi FA league match first division. Subribi show matching for as say no. Ni nemo bu se pom. Akoda ni wonimpo ne po. Sa akola we ewo abrochira kasambe basa makofa bikonko mu se wo manya ayi Messi akoda no ya anope mu video na send me akoda na mabunu ayem ya na mesrewa da ya de sade amano nso nkoda se do mu pra ye o mo to o mo ntemti mesrewa da ya de sase emmomura ni mu de be se ne nan asai de be se ontimi mobo obiem de metwam se wo pra ontimi mobo obiem wapra ne nana se mitwam srewa da ya sase ento akoda ne nana so akwane nana ento so na onya de fa ahodi ani maria no sa mejim o ye Ghana future ti ma be komani na me fansem ne egu ho emfa mo house of focus na de free ho ba ne se ejabi aso house of focus team from Kumasi na next video no me can chire wo behu House of supporters munye steady mo mani na ho na mo ahwe ya mo be se mu team no mo ahwe ya mo be se mu team ko eja na aso no ano ode o mo tete o mo coach no me ba be chire mu na Kobe Jones and the customer supporters ni yan go say any time else you change coach ni and that time else a coach pressure nie and your time also the support any more coach bodu also the support and more coach some bodu because on your bad sir oba ya nya hwe 11 years ye ntimi nya hwe obati double e dia maye league no yes I on and off and said then you know so said the KC panel but I also just say you know we so and from pump coach because of board draw and lose in any case or lose your kwanya no tin as pump coach it is supporters no mom tone it down mom mara from kakra na ejana no odin do ejana eba no ebetima hye niema ase niema ejana ebetima hye niema ase niema because just saade eja esaya de etimu hweye when I the first club o coach e so pressure was super any eti niema bi wo ho no ma ya munya abotre kakra e former coach ya wano ice gold player ice gold ringer formerly of Bechem United ya wano onimbo obopa na ya make asem akiro ice gold for sa enye ena ma Ghana that so tede yetie no enye because enye no akese obi nim hu bi e wo team nim eno tina mo se enye obi nim hu bi player ni ntimi nsore se matu kwan akọ se mekoye transfer se mekoye da outside Ghana wa bra technical team nyawe some members of a management so omo nyawe so the passport no anything no enye na ne saka ne passport menye so se akwala no ebetima so de ne pe atukwan se makoye transfer team ni se enim ba bi okoye but wa ba enye hwe ye de achew. How dare you? Say we a player, what sign professional contract, we ye adwuma gusu ye twa oka, no afa ho se metu kwan na ukoye na ukonya accidenta. Why asem? Anya mo na mo tekam nya mo de be frem. Obi ade na nya atwe na so. Ghana fo mentemase. Oka yesi hey. Mentemase. Akoda no e professional football. Bosu me na adwuma ye the professional no. Enti also dey ni dem adwuma na wo ye no. Me meti wey se me wo adwuma ma. Ya breaking there me oba bia mitimi ko but me na resume na me nya kwotena dwo na me yi adwuma mitimi sore mfa me pese matuka makota mali matuka makota Nigeria 3 weeks na ma mo obi amane na me ko me ba yesi enye hwe ye de achaw enye hwe no o se atwema so na me usa ade na me ma anye ni ye player ye BBC atwema so na enserve as a deterrent and for others say be ya next time obi so konko ye biem na uja ne say enye hwe because we ya no onimbo eti o aba ye de achaw enye hwe bra be bo Sunday ni kodoko be prepare ne bo next time obi so beko next time obi so beko ye nyetimu sa and the last season many a break kodoko management so na mo so monte asem me the san ma bra bo no ko no obi ya de nya twe na so na tongo for na aka ni team say no na anu ko akusia ye no ye twe na so enti say Kofi Abanga so kwa kwaya onu so be so because so ya ye be twe na so enka say obi aye oh ye ja no nko free e ya ye e ja no da bo yes ah wo de wo set a bad precedent e wo team ni wo set a bad precedent wo team ni ye na de yes ah I got for me expect say mo be twe akoda wo ya so because the more you get into say mo na mo fa ho say onko wan kra bi no entia Goal Stars omo goalkeeper omo number 1 goalkeeper ya wansa pira ya wansa o na number 1 goalkeeper de ba bia ni Goal Stars wakwa kopira wo pira na the matter ni say o ya out for 2 weeks on to me no go enuti nyame aduma Saturday Goal Stars against House of Folk. One second keeper, the first keeper, the player, ultima medan fama womo. The house ya 20. House ya 20. Apollo the go da pa. We say we play on to say 2 weeks or you're off. Ultimate go fama baby and the phone. The tia no. They call mediama. Justice blame was samaba. Now the woman say, we have construction company limited home. Who are dying of fear Ghana? Who are dying of Ghana? Father, no almost shut down the son from and found Koma will be a man in safe, you know, and found Koma Manina will draw and trouble so Ghana man and fat. Father will have no more vessel. O Proton land now to Toton. Father will no more man, no one here. Obabana Ahin or Hinibia Cotonidi. Obabano Hina told the Amobi, 80 farmer or ha, no more land in the son from O stores no, Fajan no more Hessamon and Yakama. Let me be an Yakama. Over so see mansion, over so see story building, over so see church, over so see school, over so see mosque, over so see warehouse. Familia dano ha, or messy come a cement milk comb, a dynamic journey in our check, a more room, nice house, quality house, a general check. About the carpentry works, father no a juma be a carpenter for a father no about the electrical installations, father no what dine open say no why yes in Gusmau, no one can ya father no munyamau, never be a come, never be a team and conquer. Ade bi ase be repair kama de amount. Wa ade bi ase fa be ye be repair kama atumi edi amount. What in common say na bibia atumi akoso. Na ye draw plan, a dan plan, asase plan, ye draw ni nyina ye adwuma fa bra ye ho, ye be ne kama. Bibia bituma kama de amount. E ba na roofing sheet, e dan ho bibia, so ope quality nko ade a fa dan. Ompe quality na so ope bob da powder ni dem fa ma ye ho. No kra na me ka acho. Ye adwuma ye ma wo dadan ma otim say yes, ma si dan na me dem. Wo hu say wo fie na si wo na wo nya o spirit no, wo kra na ni gi. Say o brabo na wo kobo en fa so atumi aba so. Sa adwuma ni bi ne ye enye ngoko buo no obobɔ de esi onye no bi. Ye quality adwuma ma on da ho otim say yes, ya ma wo adwuma papa na ma ne ma ekɔ nkan. Enso e de ma. What I say, we have construction company limited. There was 6-month warranty. Eti adwuma bi e be ya ma wo. Next 6 months, ade ne say ya eye wo ha ye ne ayasem, eye ne ye ka, ye ne be sa be fa kana sa ye no for the amount. 6 months. Ye adwuma de ma wa. Next 6 months. Say esaya sa warranty ye ne ba be boss aka na sa ye no for the amount. Umpe we na opede. Ghana be bia your office ho. Ghana have a bia office. Ji number ne free 055 02 68 598 055 02 68 598. Now I feel ha. Now I come down so we probably be the from then no money home. Justice Blay and Enra. Asema esi wotakwa. Asema esi wotakwa eni say. Mediama for the nkotodwe agu fam. Mediama for the nkotodwe agu fam ensa dansayem pa akoda ne chew. Pa akoda ne chew. Blay yesrew menko yesrew esane no waye fama ye. Sign what the sign where ye pay for my what the sign where ye pay what the till the end of this season what the sign my ne bomb my sro ye pacho park on any chance akranisi no way akranisi no way lie anya dey me sign that manya kasa me ko ne dey what the grader crowd be so me misisi ya ma me ko brace wanya kasa work on what the grader ariable excavators ibi am ni two gold no and no be crown and ba be so ni mu a okọ me tema for pacho almost the young man say, I can't call Munya him free moon. It is come per se, what the one sign way year, Nanka Kodokoba, no manaka. Sense say, South Africa Clubby, Orlando Paris never, now come to manaka. It is a woman offer the bar almost on your credit free moon. And so I can't sit that, and no more park or Danny Chosa was it that the contract in a year, and a 5th, a China 7th, 8th, and a 5th in the China 6th. Na the contract no we ti ko the company for say omo comment wo ho omo de omo ya no kokom because still what so under contract what so under contract eti ko do ko nim no omo ko ka ho asem say ekima a breach of contract ye betima twoma so but a China 6 e ba na wi ya eno ano na bibia de tintu sha subscribe na share the page no one dance here and then more videos. I think say na me ma be 6 videos. And never has a mom base 6 and 7. The one dance here, compare you 1 or awful. Catch will be as exclusive news, no authentic news, you friends in Iowa. And never had blasters match and 2 things. Either say, made a commentary no, and never bone, and answer will be near. Cause a channel, I be your 1 million blocky page, no 1 channel blocky page, no, and me way options in a way. I have no more blocky page, and that's how they made a commentary no and the multi, the tournament me your commentary a life about 4 now. Life me the everything ever either some commentary in life and answer match in life. Nimia and answer Nimia now benya. It's the very best. I mean, so I mean, Carol, I didn't know what come as well. HD.